What is going on YouTube? My name is Ty and my blog is thexking.com. Hit you with another video, and today's video is about assets. Now I shot a video today, as a matter of fact, about Grand Theft Auto Vice City, about how my first exposure to assets. Because in that video game, which is an old game, I played that game almost it's probably 15 years old, probably older than that. But it's on PlayStation 2, and pretty much it's a violent game, but it taught you buying assets. You bought a taxi cab business, you bought a car dealership, you bought an ice cream shop, you bought a boat house, and you buy it for like $50,000, and and it makes you $2,000 per month, but every couple of hours in the game you get some money and it has revenue. So I translate that to buying stocks, because buying stocks, you get to involve in the stock market with a low fee of like $20, $30. You know what I'm saying? So you can be an average person buying stocks and getting dividends and buying assets. That's why I like the stocks than anything else. Now there is real estate you get involved, but you can't get involved in real estate with $30, $40 unless you buy a REIT. So the purpose of the video is to show you that these okay, the guys on YouTube that does buying stocks with M1 Finance, Robinhood, these guys have a lot of cash they could pour into an account. Now, a couple guys that I follow, they put in $2 grand a month, $300 a week. We know who that person is. We put in $300 a week. One guy puts in $2,000 per month, and kudos to them. I mean, I'm not hating they can do that, but that's kind of being hard because the normal everyday person who has a family, who works a 9 to 5, has a family who pays the mortgage, house, light bill, water bill, cell phone bill, car insurance, insurance, you know what I'm saying, who buys food, who has to put clothes on their family's back, who has medical expenses, student loans. You can't afford to throw in $2,000 a month. You can't afford to put in $300 per month. So with my strategy, and what I couldn't afford, that a lot of people couldn't afford, is just to put in $50, doing $100. So to I get paid twice a month. I probably invest $100 into the stock market. That's $100. Now, sometimes I do $50 or $40, but you put in $100 or less, or let's say $50, $60. It's not going to break your bank. So now I can still, so people can still pay their bills, pay their rent, mortgage, pay their car notes, credit cards. You still pay them bills, and you have extra. Let's say you have a $200, $300 a month extra on the side. You can put in $50 towards stocks and start building stocks. And my philosophy is this, and the way I do things is this. What I do is I have a list of 30 to 40 stocks I chose based on their history, based on what their sector they're in, based on the company values, based on how much the stock price costs, how much they pay in dividends. Does the dividends go up? That's my forte. That's my buying strategy. So my strategy is this: you take, let's say, 30 different stocks, ETFs. So 15 stocks or 50 ETFs, whatever. You take 30 of them. You buy enough shares of one stock to make you $1. So you have 30 different stocks, all making you $1 each. You're making $30 per month. And most of my stocks are monthly paying stocks. Okay. Another thing to take into consideration: the more stocks you have, the more diversify your portfolio. So you want to put what's the common saying? You don't put all your eggs in one basket. Well, I have 30 different stocks, and they're all making me the same amount of money. I'm diversified. It's not like one stock is making me $20 a month, and little ones making me 35 cents. They're all making me the same amount of money, and also they're diversified by sectors. Some in real estate, some in investment companies, some in oil and gas, some in renewable energies, some's in autonomous driving. You want to invest in different corporations and Ford and cars. You want to diversify the stuff that you invest in. So Here's one of my stocks that I get. It's called Orchard Island Capital. It's a capital investment finance company which investment into mortgage-backed securities. So it's in real estate. It's not a real estate trust, but it's more like a financial company for real estate. All right, so I look at how long they've been in business. The longer they've been in business, the better. Because the longer they've been in business shows me that during when before the internet you was doing good, and after the internet phase is going good, and you've gone through the changes that made to still be in business today. So it's been going on. This company's been alive for 10 plus years, so that's great. And so right now I have 13 shares of this company, and I'm gonna get a dividend payment of $1.04. I'm gonna get that every single month. So if I buy no more of these shares, all right, if I buy no more of these shares, $1.04 times 12. So let's say I buy no more of these shares. You times that $1.04 times 12. I've been making $12.04 this year of dividends. Now, of that $12, I could probably buy two of these stocks for free. So when you look at in the totality of it, I spent a lot of money to buy these stocks, but over a year, it's going to pay me back money enough to buy two shares. So I only bought 13. So 13 shares. I bought 13. So I put in $80 into this. I'm gonna get $12 back. So you times $12.48 times, I guess you times it by, let's see, 7, do 6. Let's do 7. So if I buy nothing else within 7 years, if I get $1.04 every month for the next 7 years, I'll make my money back plus more. I make $87.36. So I'll get all my money back within 7 years. That's a long time to wait, but I've been bought through stocks. I'm gonna get money every month. So that's just one. This one here as well, and it's down too. I'm gonna tell you why you need a list of 30 stocks versus getting like 2 or 3. I'm gonna tell you why in a minute. Prospect Capital is one of my favorite ones too. This is a business development company. That's a private businesses. So I don't really care about the dividend yield so much. I'm trying to see how much they give me in dividends. I make 30 cents. I'm getting 30 cents, but I bought enough because you're getting 6 cents per share. So you're gonna need so I got 10 shares, so I'm making 60 cents right now of this of this stock. So I'm gonna need what, 66, another 5 or 6 shares to give me $1 for this. DX is one of my favorite ones as well. Now DX Capital is down right now, and this is why you need a list of 30 stocks, because if you have a list of 3 or 4 stocks, or say 10, and you want a big list, because now, like, if you want to buy this stock right now, it's down 30 cents. So you want to buy it 30 cents. You want to buy it at this cheap, because on the high end, it's $18. Now it's $18.71. So you kind of want. So I bought this at $16.76. Now it's at 17. So I'm up $7 of this. I'm plus money. They just paid a dividend as well of 15 cents per share, which is a lot of money per share. So all you need is 7 shares of this to make $1.05 per month. So I invested $126 into this, well, $117 into this stock. It's paying me $1 a month. Now you might be paying a lot of money, but like I was saying, every time you get paid, we're not throwing $150 to this. We're not spending $400. We're buying 3 or 4 shares at one time. Now, you could invest $50, okay? Let's take $50 of this stock at $17.38. You say you have $50, 58, you times that by 3. So with $53.43, you could buy 3 shares of this company. That's not a lot of money. Now, if you have money to invest every once in a while, you can do it. But you have to invest money somewhere. You can't keep putting money into a bank, even in an online bank. Online banks now, with the rate being cut 4 to 5 times, you might get 1.7%. Which is not a lot. You want to, I mean, having a savings account is important, but you want to park your money into other places as well. All my stocks are down today. Then we go to A&G. A&G is one of my favorite ones to get into. A&G Investment is a real estate investment trust. They invest in real estate. Now, I like this because they invest in payments are guaranteed by the U.S. government sponsored enterprises such as Federal National Mortgage Association and the Federal Home Loan Mortgage Corporation by a U.S. government agency. So they invest in mortgage-backed investments that's guaranteed by the U.S. government. So this is pretty much good to go. So they're in business for 2018. It was founded, so they're an old company, and the dividend right now is 16 cents a share. Now I own right now 7 shares, so that's that's $1.06. It pays it's a monthly dividend paying stock. Okay, now I invested $100.23 into this, but I did this over 3 to 4 months. So really, I bought 2, 3 shares. Right now, it's on low end 11 cents, but on the high end, you're paying, what's still? It's been $18 since then. I think I bought one with 17 some change. But the purpose of this video is to get you to invest a little bit of money. I'm not saying invest all your money, because right now, if you look at my all times I've been investing. It's gone down some today, but it's just today. I am plus as of today. Right today, I am plus $29.56. I invested $1,200 into this account. Now, anybody could do this. Like I said, I bought this very slow. It's I get paid. I pay my mortgage. I pay my bills. I put some money in a savings account. I put money in worthy bonds, which you need also look into. Then I invest some money. I try to invest $60, $75, $100, whatever I got. And that's not breaking my back. That's not breaking me. Now, I got money left over from that to buy food and buy whatever else I need, but I'm not breaking my back. But you see now, the whole time I've been on Robinhood, I'm plus $29.56. So overall, all time, I'm up 2.41%, which is not bad, knowing that yesterday I was up 3.69%. I'm up. So I'm getting way more money back. I'm getting monthly dividend paying stocks. So imagine if you have 50. Now, all these stocks here are down today. Don't know why. It's peaks and valleys, but imagine you have 50 stocks paying you $1 a month, maybe $50 a month. And imagine this. Imagine you did this 4 or 5 years ago. Imagine if you have 10 stocks paying you $10 a month. You're making $100 a month passively, and this is super passive. Once you buy the stock, there's nothing else to do. You got to do a little homework, a little research. We all get that, but after you buy the stock, there's nothing less for you to do. So this video is to motivate you. This is my strategy for people like this stock here, Permian Royalty Trust. I think it's an oil company. Yeah, so they net profit from oil and natural gas products. And natural gas and oil is not going anywhere no time soon. The stock is $2.03, which is down for the 5 years. A lot of peaks and valleys, but it only paid a 2-cent dividend. So you're gonna have to buy a lot of shares to make $1. Okay, 2 cents per dividend is okay, but it pays monthly. So if you have extra $20, you could buy 10 shares of that. So I mean, not too bad. Another cheap one that you can get into that I like is like under $5. If you're trying to spend $5, I got one for you right here. Let me see, where is it? This is one of my favorite ones I'm interested in. It's $5. You could buy it on a whim. If I can find it. That I wish I would invested in this a long time ago, but where is it? I can't find it. Oh, yeah, I can't find it, man. Give me 1 second. Now I can't find it. Oh wow! Oh, it was a real. It was amazing. Hold on, it was AMZ. Ah, keep here. Go right here. So this right here is a ETF and invest in mainstream LP. I forgot what LPF stands for. I think it's Energy and Natural Gas Company. Um, as you see, they're paying me a dividend of 6 cents. Now I got paid 9 cents. I got paid 2 times in January. Don't know why, but I got paid 2 times in January. Okay, I got paid the ninth. I got paid the 29th. So, all I gotta do was buy enough shares of this company, and it's down right now to make me $1. So, 10 shares up top is 60 cents. So, you spending, let's say, $5. So, you could buy a lot of shares with that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. For $50, you could buy 10 shares of this business and make you 60 cents per month. And that's just on the high end. I'm just doing $5. Yeah, of course, you probably buy 12 or 13 for $50, but then you get my drift. It pays me a good dividend. Look at the past 5 years. At its peak, it was extremely expensive. See, you want to buy these things while they're cheap. Because look at it, how much it was in 2015. It was $12 a share. And then it just dropped to $7. It went up 8 to 11. It's gone up and up and up, and it started dropping down. So right now, if you want to get to this stock now, $4.21, now is the time to get it. And I'm saying I'm not buying $2,000 worth of this product, of this stock. I'm buying, maybe $1. Okay, all of them are $1. Now, make them $2. Like I said, give me $2. So that's the end of my video. Just invest your money. If you want to get into Robinhood, I have a link below the video. But these are my shares that I invest in. As you see here, like Apple Realty, it's 10 cents a share. It's easy. They invest in high-end hotels, Hilton, Marriott, high-end brands. They're not going out of business anytime soon. So, and they've been in business since '07, and you get 10 cents a share. So you need 10 shares of this business to make $1. Now, once all those stocks get $1, okay, now it's to make them $2. But now you're getting $30 now. So now you could probably buy 2 of these shares every month with that money. So you want to build this thing up, buying to a point where it's making you $300-400 per month, and now you get $300-400 per month. Now you're not putting them on your own money. Now you're taking your dividends and buying more assets. Your assets is buying more assets, and that's what you want. You want your assets to buy more assets, to make more assets. Now you couldn't focus on something else. You didn't worry about that portion. Now you do something else. So that's the end of my video. I don't want to make it too long or too short. That's the end of my video. So like the videos, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and how you invest your money. You don't want to work all your life and have nothing. And you can also pass that stock to your kids. And it's not breaking the bank. It's better you get a higher return from a bank for this. You're getting dividends. You're getting money that you can use, you can pull out. Okay, if you need to. But right now, if you start now, buying stocks now, for the next 4 to 5 years, how much money can you make per month from now? Imagine if I started this 5 years ago, when stocks was a little bit higher, but also a little bit cheaper as well. Now is the time to get involved because these stocks are dropping. Like Apple Realty is dropping. It's been $15 all the time, but you could catch it now for a cheaper price, down 25 cents. But start now, start investing now. Do it for yourself. See you next.